Hey, what's up, guys? Today is January 3rd, 2025, beginning of a new year. I didn't do very much on New Year's. I just kind of hung out around the house. Fucking amateur night, you know? There's a bunch of wrecks and death and all kinds of shit going on everywhere, so I fucking stayed at home, man. Out here, there were like probably 2 or 3, 4 car wrecks. People got a flat tire on the side of the road on New Year's Eve, and then some fucking drunk bastard came across and fucking creamed their ass. It's a bunch of bullshit, man. I stayed at home, but I hope everybody had a good New Year. We're about to go to another one. These people called me yesterday, and they have they had a gas smell that was going on. They could smell gas in their living room when they were burning the fireplace. So they called out the gas company, and the gas company came out and said that they had a leaking key valve. So we're gonna go over there and cut the wall. Luckily, it's surrounded by sheetrock, so we're gonna go over there and cut the wall and see if we can get this key valve to leak, and then we're gonna cut it out and replace it. The gas company said that once we got it replaced, they'll come out and turn the gas back on, but I don't know about all that shit. Normally, whenever the gas company comes and turns your gas off, out here anyway, we have to pull a permit and have the city inspector come out and inspect the work, and then he'll release it back to the gas company and they'll come out and turn it on. But this dude told the homeowners that, no, just call us, we'll come out and turn it on. It sounds like some bullshit to me. We're about to go over there, put a test on the whole house, check for any leaks, and see if we can get this key valve to leak. So that's kind of what we're going to do today. But I really want to get their gas cut back on, because it is supposed to get pretty damn cold. All next week it's going to be pretty cold around here. Alright, guys, this house had a gas leak. It was on the key valve at the fireplace. I was able to repair it pretty easily. Just tightened up the packing nut, spun it almost half a turn. It's a pretty decent sized leak. So I'm out here now. I've had a test on this thing for almost half an hour. It's holding fine at 15 pounds. Needle hasn't moved at all. So I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. All right. Matches my jacket. So this is the key valve. You can see that there's some soap in there still. So everything is good. No more leaks. That thing was blowing bubbles big time. So we shut it off down here. And we've got that thing cranked. No bubbles. Alright, so we got that one taken care of. I showed up over there, went ahead and disconnected the meter when I showed up, put my gauge on, pumped it up to about 20, and went inside with some soap and water and sprayed down the key valve. That's where they said they were getting a leak from. I turned it on and it was blowing some pretty big bubbles. For reminded me of some of my ex-girlfriends. But I went ahead and put a socket on there and tightened it up about half a turn. It was pretty loose. So I went back outside, pumped it up to about 15, and let it sit for about almost half an hour. Nothing ever moved. So had the homeowner call back to the gas company, and the gas company said that they checked online and that the city doesn't require an inspection to have the gas cut back on, which freaking blew my mind. That's the first city I know of around here that allows that type of shit to go down. I don't know, never heard of that. But anyways, before I left, the gas company had already showed back up and started doing their test. They said that they would come out and do a test, but they didn't require a permit and didn't require an inspection. So whatever. The good thing is these people are going to have gas and hot water, heat. We're about to have a freeze that's going to be coming through here, so they're definitely going to need it. So I'm just glad to get these people back in business. But that's pretty much it for today. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Peace out.